nice day, everyone. I am Jezabel de San Jose, a third-year college student at Cagayan State University, Sanchez Mira, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in crop science. So for today's video, I will just be a short explaining the different parts of rice plant. Allow me to share to you everyone about what I have learned the different parts of rice plant. But before we directly start the different parts of rice plant, it is better to know first what rice plant actually. Rice plant is what we call Oryza sativa, the scientific name of rice plant, and is one of the most important grain crops in the world. Rice plant is annual grass. It normally grows for more than 1 year, with round, hollow, jointed cones, flat leaves, and terminal panicles. When the seeds germinates in well-drained and well-aerated soil, the coleorrhiza, a covering enclosing the radicle or primary root. Shortly after the coleorrhiza appears, the radicle or primary roots break through the covering. Seminal roots are 2 or more sparsely branched. These roots eventually die and are replaced by many secondary adventitious. If the grain is submerged in water, the coleoptile emerges ahead of the coleorrhiza. Mesocotyl is the length of the axis between the coleoptile and the point of union of the root and caul. The elongation of the mesocotyl elevates the coleoptile above the ground. The first seedling leaf or primary leaf emerges from the growing seed. It is green and shaped like a cylinder. It has no blade. The second leaf is a complete leaf. It is differentiated into a leaf blade and leaf sheath. So, let me show the uprooted of rice plant. As you can see, this is the seeds of rice plant, which is processed and consumed as beaten rice in our daily lives. Second, flag leaf, leaf sheath, and leaf blade. These flag leaf are borne on the caul in 2 ranks, one at each node. This leaf sheath is continuous with the blade. These leaf blades are generally flat and sessile. Third, caul. The jointed stem of rice called caul is made up of series nodes and internodes. This is a nodes and internodes. The nodes bear a leaf, a bud, and the internode is hollow, finely grooved, and glabrous on the outer surface. Fourth, roots. This one is the secondary adventitious roots, and this one is the adventitious pap roots. Roots are fibrous and possessing rootlets and root hairs. These roots go down to the soil. Fifth, panicle base and the panicle axis. Panicle base is the nearly solid node between the uppermost internode of the caul and the axis of the panicle. Panicle axis is the main axis of the inflorescence. 6 is spikelet. The panicle bears spikelet, most of which develop into grain. These spikelets are borne on the primary and secondary branches. The spikelet is the basic units of the inflorescence and panicle. It consists of the pedicel and floret. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have learned something about the different parts of rice plant. And thank you for watching, and God bless us all.